What is posting period then? Right. So see, when you post any document, let example, I will post a good receipt document in system. Will receive some stock from a vendor, right? So during when you receive the document, there will be a option you will find here the posting period or a posting date, right? Posting date means what? So in which date we are just save the document, saving the document, right? One is the document date. Document date is like it may be like a past date, हो सकता है, right? Posting date means in which date we did the like receive the document, right? In which date we have received the document, right? So in real time, what will happen if there will be no such rules regulation for posting a document? So people will do it randomly, right? So let example, we have to like post a document. We will save a document after 5 days. So let example, after 5 days, I'm going to take a leave. So what I will do, I will just post the document today, right? Ki otherwise I just forgotten to save a document 2 months before. So during audit, I just want to do it on today, right? So there will be a like a business mismatch, right? It will hamper the business process, right? So what we have to do in SAP, so there will be a rule in which date you have to post a document, right? So in posting period, what we can do, we can post a document either in current date, otherwise from the last 1 month. You cannot post any document in a future date, right? You cannot post any document in a future date. We can post the document in current date, otherwise last 1 month document. And for the last 1 month document also you have to take the permission, right? So sometimes they see in a company, in a manufacturing industry, any company, right, there will be a month end, but in the 30th of the month or 31st of the month, right? So let example, we have saved few document but unable to post some other document, right? So in that time we can extend the document to like post after like 1 to 2 days, right? So for that only we have to do the configuration for the posting period. Got it, Punita?
Yes.
Yeah. So for the posting period configuration, so what you have to do, you have to remember three T code. One is called as the MMRV, MMPV, OMS2, OMSY. Okay. There will be three T code. This one is to check the posting period. This one is to change posting period. And third thing is initial posting period.
So who will be setting this posting period?
FI team.
Okay.
As a MM consultant, we just have to work on three T code. This three T code.
We cannot change, no one can change the
You
posting
can
period.
change. So that's why I have given three T code. So let me complete. So first one is MMRV, right? So what you can do, like to check the posting period in our system, right? What we can do, you can use the MMRV. Whether posting period is all right or not, you can check through the MMRV. You just put the company code. Our company code was LAXM, right? Click enter. So see, current period is 12, year is 2025, that is fine. Previous period was 11, next period is year was 2025, that is fine, right? But let example, when the January month will start, right? So it will not come automatically, right? So in that time, what you have to do, you have to change the posting period. So posting period will or not automatically change, right? It will be changed by the user, right? So they have to use the T code like MMPV. MMPV is the T code to change the posting period. MMPV, then put here the company code. Our company code is LAXM. Then put here the period. So at that time the period will be 1 and the year will 2026, right? So put this one, then click on execute, so that it will change to the next month. But here currently it will not change because in our system it is already maintained for the 2025. Got it? But in every month you have to change by using the T code, right? This is the part. Second thing, if it is not possible with the MMPVT code, right? So you can go for the initial setup. So at that time you have to go for the OMSYT code. So click enter. Here go for the position. So put your company code LAXM. In LXM here you can change. So let example I will make it 2026 and I will create here 01. Right? So click enter. The specified year not in the current calendar year. यहाँ पे कैलेंडर ईयर जो है it is not matching to my calendar year, that's why it is not able to change. But yes, I can here change to the previous month. I can, if I want to make it 10 month, right? And if I want to make it 2025, right? So I can make the change here. Period end on the past. Okay. So here I can save. Right, so now if I'll check my posting period date, mmrv, right? In mmrv you can check here the company code, it will come as the 10, right? So if I'll make it like 2 month ahead, mmpv में अगर change करना है mmpv, so put here the company code, and if I will make it 12 and the year is 2025, so click on enter, click on execute. So here you will find the issue, no conversion found. So that means what, in MMPV you cannot like go ahead 2 month ahead, keep 3 month ahead. You just can go with one month ahead by the T code MMPV. Punita, getting or not getting?
Yeah, yeah.
So here LXM and I can make it 11, then 2025, then click on execute. So it will change, right? So similarly I can go 1 month again, MMPV. Now we have the company code 12 2025. So click on execute. Right. So now if you check the posting period MMRV, so here it become as 12 2025. Right. So if it is not possible with MMPV, so what you have to do, you have to go for the OMSY. Right. So
Can we move the date back from we moved from 10 to
what do you say?
like if it, from 10 to possible, what
Not
will be the
not
date?
audible. Your voice is not audible. Can you repeat once?
No, can we change the date to
Can we change the date? Hello. Brinda, we'll discuss after the stopping the recording, right? Okay. So this is the three thing we can use in SAP MM point of view,
ଏଟା
right?
ଯୋଉ MMRV ଟା ଏଟା କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ତା ଟିକୋଟା ପକେଇବା ଏକ୍ସାକ୍ଟ
କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ମାନେ
ମାନେ ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ପକଉଥିଲେ SPR ଯେମିତି ପକଉଥିଲେ
ସେଠି କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଏଇଠି ହିଁ ପକେଇବ, ଏଇଠି ହିଁ ଚେକ୍ କରିବ ନା, ଟି କୋଡ୍ ସେ ଏସ୍ପିଆର କିଛି ପକାଯାଏନି।
ମାନେ ଆମର ସେ ଯୋଉ SPR ଯୋଉ ସ୍କ୍ରିନରେ ପକଉଥିଲେ
ହୁଁ।
ଏଟା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂଟା ସେଇ ସ୍କ୍ରିନରେ ପକେଇଲେ ଯାଇକି ପୋଷ୍ଟିଂ ଟା ଓପନ୍ ହବ।
ନାଇଁ ସେମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ, କୋଉଠି ବି ପକେଇ ପାରିବ, ଟି
ଯୋଉଠି
କୋଡ୍ ତ କୋଉଠି କାମ କରିବ ନା,
ହୁଁ
ବଟ୍ ସ୍ଲାସ୍ ଏନ୍ और स्लैश ओ यूज, राइट? राइट, सो लाइक ओ एम एस वाई, ओ एम एस टू, सॉरी ओ एम एस वाई, so you can check here, right? So yes, for the posting period configuration also there is a backend configuration, it is not required for us, but if you want I can show you ki, like how the posting period is doing the configuration by the FI team, right? So for the posting period configuration, if you want to do, that is a optional thing, if you want to go you can go for that, but if you are not go, that will be fine also, you just remember 3 T code, right? Because when you will do the practice, the system sometimes will say the error and the posting period is not allowed for this one. Okay, the posting period is only allowed for the this month, right? In that time you just have to change the posting period, right? So if you want to do the configuration for the posting period, you have to go for the SPRO screen, then SAP reference IMG, then here you have to go for the financial accounting, then financial account global setting, Then here you have to go for the document. Then here you have to go for the posting period. And in posting period, what you have to define? You have to define the posting period variant. Then open and close posting period. Then there will be the assign posting period variant to company code. So this much configuration is done in the backend, so that's why it is coming here, right? So if you will ask me what is posting period variant, there is no issue, logic, right? So these are the configuration we are doing in the backend so that it will come right thing in the like a front screen, right? So if you go for the like a session like a SPRO screen, so this is the SPRO screen. So it will be also a part of the FI. So financial accounting. So whatever the thing you are doing within the financial accounting, controlling, these are the part of the FI, right? So financial accounting, your financial accounting global setting. Then here you will find here the document. Then here you will find the posting period, right? Posting period. So see, if I'll show you direct third step, assign variants of company code. So go for this one. So you'll find a errors like this, right? The data is logged by the user, this one, right? Right. This is my user, right? 15 user, 11 is my user. Why it is locked? Because I have opened in multiple page in the bottom. So data associated with this page is like open. So that's why it is in the display mode only, right? So what I can do if I'll just remove this one now, you can know click again. Now it is the error is removed, right? So go for the position. Our company code is LXM, right? So see, in our company code there is a variant is assigned is called as the 1000. So when we have copied from the like company code to our company code, right, that time variant is also copied. So as for the variant, the posting period is coming all right because we did not did any configuration for the posting period. Then also it is coming perfectly. Why? Because it is already system assigned the 1000 variant. So if you want to create your own variant, you can create also own variant, right? And how you can create your own variant? So here you can define your own variant, open posting period variant, and just click on execute. So go for the new and you can give any name of the variant. So I just give the variant name as LXMI also. Okay, LXMI, right? You can give any name, right? Okay, I just take as L001. Let example, it is our variant, right? So let me posting period variant. So click enter, then click on save. So, right, variant is defined, but within the variant, there will be some configuration so that the posting period is coming, right? So, what is the configuration? You have to go for the open and close posting period. So, go for the open and close posting period. So, here, this is the configuration for the posting period. What are the thing? It will be difficult to understood, right? So, here, so if you want to create your own configuration, so what you have to do? Just copy the existing one. How to do that? So here you'll find 0001 is a standard variant. So select the first line item, second line item, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Sixth line item you have to copy. Where you'll find one symbol is for plus ADKMS, right? Sixth line item you will just select, then click on copy, right? So now you can give your own variant name here. So we have defined our own variant as L001. So I'll just give here my own variant. Here this one is L001, right? So this is the one variant L001. It is fine. So now if you'll find like what is a, what is like e plus and all, right? Here plus stands for valid for all the account type. A stands for assets, D stands for customers, right? What are those part? It will completely FI team, right? We can discuss those part, right? So these are the thing. So here so from account to account will be like this, right? So here what we can take, so from month it may be the starting from the one, we can take as it will be one. That means our financial year will start like foreign, in foreign country. So their financial year start with the like month January, right? So it will be from the January. Sometimes it will taken as the from the April as well, depending upon the like location of the country. Then year is 2025 year, it will be valid for the 12 month. So the next year will be 2026, right? So this way you can go ahead, right? So I'm not changing anymore. Just click enter. Just click on save. Right? It is saved as the open and close posting period. Now go back. So now go for the assign variants to the company code. So we have defined our own variant. So go for the position. Our company code was LXM. So here you can put your own variant L001. So now whatever the posting period will come, that will be as per our own variant, right? So now if I'll check my posting period, so the T code is MMRV to check the posting period. MMRV. So put here the company code. So now it is coming as perfectly, right? If it is, it will not come automatically perfectly, right? What you can do, you just have to go for the OMSY and just go for the position. Company code is LXM, right? So you have to make here the changes, right? So this much is the configuration, which you just have the idea, right? You should not go into the deep, but yes, there is some certain configuration. If you will face any type of issue regarding the posting period, you will directly pass on to the FI team, right? But yes, if you want to like have some idea regarding the posting period, these are the few configuration where you can just remember.
जैसे लास्ट टाइम रो दरकार नहीं हम पे ऑप्शन